Hi guys, this is Sanaki from Redmi Speaks. Today we have a leak about Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's discuss. Xiaomi is announcing the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro in India tomorrow, but full specs of the phone has already leaked. They came to confirm that the Redmi Note 5 is just a rebranded Redmi Note 5 Plus with a 6 screen and a Snapdragon 625 chipset, as we reported on two separate occasions. The big surprise is the Redmi Note 5 Pro arriving with Snapdragon 636 dual cam on the back, arranged in the upper left corner like the iPhone X, and a 20MP selfie snapper on the front. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro's processors comes with octa-core CPU clocked at up to 1.8 GHz Adreno 509 GPU. On the front, it has the same display panel as the Redmi Note 5, a 5.99 screen with Full HD Plus resolution under 2.5D glass and software buttons. The dual cam setup on the back is 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. The first sensor is already well known from the Redmi Note 5 series with its f2.2 lens and 1.5 pixel size. The second will be deliver focus foreground and creamy blurred background with the f2.0 lens and 1.12 pixel size. Xiaomi provided the 20MP front camera with the Sony IMX376 sensors, coupled it with an LED light. The fingerprint sensor is positioning on the back, while the power button and volume rocker side on the right side. There is a 4000 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 5 Pro arrives with MIUI 9 based on Android Nougat and will be available in blue, rose gold, companion gold and black colors. There will be 3 memories and prices combination: 3GB plus 32GB, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 64GB. So guys, this is all about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro and Redmi Note 5. Thanks for watching.